How to install 6-light antler wooden chandelier. Remove the fixture from the carton and check all parts and accessories. Unscrew the ball nuts, hex nest from antler. Carefully push the antler to make the threaded nipple through the hole on metal ring, then secure with hex nuts and ball nuts. Slip loop over the wires and thread loop into top of trim. Attach a quick link to connect the chain and the loop on the top of fixture. Install bulbs. LNC is always aimed at bringing home furnishings with love. We hope you enjoy your new LNC light.